From 2026, all learners will benefit from the Curriculum for Wales, a curriculum that helps our children learn with purpose, in the classroom and beyond. And we're already on our way.
We got to play with wheels in the classroom.
We went out to the playground. And we cheered on the go-kart.
There's a food shop that can move around because it has wheels. Our families can buy food in the food shop too.
The doctors came into our school and told us about bowel cancer. They showed us how to use the screening kit, and then we learnt how to do it ourselves. Not many people get tested where we live. We're going to tell our parents and grandparents they should get tested too.
We worked with the North Wales Wildlife Trust to plan a garden, working out what plants we need to grow. In our gardening lessons, we have all been part of building and making the garden together. It kept flooding, so we planned and dug drainage to improve the growing conditions. We're going to grow crops for the school kitchen as well next year.
Our exceptional educators support the academic, the practical, the technical and the inspirational, helping learners leave school prepared for the world of work around them, whatever their path may be. And they are on their way to thinking big, developing their understanding and growing their increasingly sophisticated skills in the experiences they are sharing. Designed by teachers, built for children in our fast-changing world. Find out what this means for you and your children. Search Curriculum for Wales.